I am pleased to share that the 5Es Reflective Framework has now been officially registered as a trademark with the Intellectual Property Office. I also want to reassure students, educators, and colleagues that this doesn't change how you can use or reference the framework in your academic work. You are still completely free to cite it in essays, reports, and dissertations, include it in class presentations, discuss it in seminars or workshops, reference it in academic papers, quote short sections with proper citation. All normal academic use remains exactly the same and does not require permission. The trademark simply gives the framework formal recognition. It doesn't limit anyone from learning about it, teaching it in context, or engaging with it in research. If someone ever wants to use the 5Es Reflective Framework as part of a larger program such as a full training course, curriculum, or professional workshop, they can reach out so we can ensure it's used appropriately. But for everyday academic use, nothing changes. Thank you to everyone who has supported the development and growth of the framework